Hey guys, it's pretty late right now, and I'm using Alyssa's phone due to the fact that my charger is in my dad's car, and because of the circumstance, I cannot go get my charger. Oops. Okay. I'm having complications with Alyssa's charger and her phone because I'm using it when it's supposed to be charging. But I've noticed so far we don't have that many people on this channel, and this is Alyssa's channel mainly. She's asleep in the moment. I'm sure that there will be more viewers and subscribers and etc. And in that time, I want the viewers to know this is for the near future. Alyssa's really sweet girl, and I don't think she deserves any negative comments because there's little girls that post stuff the same age as Alyssa and I, and there are adults that just go on their videos and hate, and it's painful to watch because they're just little girls trying to do something. They're just trying to have fun and enjoy their childhood while it lasts, and it's just you're destroying what they got happiness out of that. It's not satisfying to see people like that, and I just really hope that doesn't happen to Alyssa. So if you're watching this, please be nice to her. I mean, it's the least someone can do. I mean, there's so many people on the earth, and there's so many things you could be doing. And if you're hating on my little cousin, you could be even doing something else. And I just really appreciate the people that do have nice things to say. Please encourage her. And I don't expect you to kiss up to her because this is YouTube, this is social media. Anybody can voice their opinion, but I really appreciate when people don't say those rude things. It's just the little small things. So I have to go. It's getting late and I feel terrible. Sorry, I'm not trying to force that. I'm just trying to hold it in. Awkwardness on camera. Oh, Jesus. That was weird. Okay, bye.